All right, we're currently in New Jersey at the Mancy home. There they are. We're going to Boston. It is 22 degrees out. It is freezing. To Boston we go. Boston. I'm gonna get me some bearded clam chowder.
Oh, your door's still open, Adam.
Bearded clam chowder. All right, we just made it to Boston. We are staying at the Hilton, and this is gonna be our house for the next 2 days. All right, we are in our hotel room. There's a great view of Boston. Looks just like the town. The only representation of Boston I really understand.
If we get jammed up, we'll hold them court on the street.
TV, this will be Josh's bed. There's a little kitchen over there. Got a 2-bed. This is where Tina and I will stay. This is where Jenny and Marc are. And that's the hotel room, pretty nice. Okay, so we are going to take a lift into the city, and then we're gonna go get some good clam chowder, and then we're gonna go to the brewery. So let's start off our day. Right now in Boston, it is pretty cold. It's like 21 degrees.
No, it's not. It's 30.
It's 21 degrees.
It's 30 degrees.
We're at the Bark and Crab. We're gonna get some good clam chowder.
Very sunny.
I love it. Yeah, we just got it.
And,
It's negative 15 degrees right now.
Yeah.
We're about to get to the best spot.
Oil. Grilled, I think it says 37.
Appreciate that sign. I like that sign.
You definitely can. It's like, yeah. Like
Yo. To Boston. Cheers, Jenny. Now you're pregnant. So here it is.
This would be the phonetic way to spell this. I'm not sure.
It's chowder. It's wicked pizza. No?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Wow, this looks really good. When we went to London and France.
Sir, which Final Fantasy are you from? Okay, that was a great lunch. We're now in the harbor. I can't help myself. The harbor.
It is now negative 30 degrees in Boston.
Frostbite is taking over. Hypothermia is setting in.
I don't think I'm gonna make it.
There's only so much we
I'm
can
pretty
take.
sure that's our hotel.
If you look closely, this is where Ben Affleck stole the armored car in the town. In the harbor. In the harbor.
Look at the size of this lad. Absolute unit.
Guy from Watch Dogs.
Siento los luces.
Alright, ready to look to the harbor now.
They said that this is really good, but I'm too full, so we're not gonna try it today. All right, I also forgot to mention it is the day after Thanksgiving, so we're gonna go to Primark, a store that I absolutely love because of its low prices and great fashion choices. And this one in Boston is like a 3-level one. We've been wanting to go here for a minute, so we finally found the chance to, and we're gonna see if we want to get anything from Primark. What will they have? We don't know. We're gonna find out. All right, so this is what it consists of. First floor is
buddy
women's
system, you guys.
women's beauty, women's accessories, women's fitting room, men's home lingerie. Wait, there's only one floor for us.
I'm gonna be a 3-star.
Okay, let's go to the bathroom for this guy. So Primark is kind of overwhelming with all these people. However, pizza socks, French fry socks, donut socks.
Came to Boston only to shop. What have we become? Dunkin' Donuts. We're actually not right hard.
True fact.
We're time on.
Dunkin' Donuts was started in Boston. That's a lie. Girls got stuff. Are you happy? You find the stuff you wanted?
Got stuff. What did I spend?
$38.
You're a liar.
There's a receipt right there.
I only spent $38.
Yeah. See? Good haul, Tina. Good haul. All right, we're leaving Primark. Are you happy with your purchase, sir?
Very happy.
What do you think?
Yes.
Warm. Now I'm warm. Now I'm warm.
I'm warm and cute.
So here you see the armored car from where Ben Affleck stole in the town.
Ready?
The police that took down Ben Affleck in the town. And this is the church that Ben Affleck was taken from in the town.
Is it really?
No.
Don't listen to anything he's saying right now.
It's the EMS truck that they had with Ben Affleck in the town. We just made it back to the hotel. We're having some free hot apple cider. Getting hot apple
I
cider
would be
drunk.
DDing.
We're back in the hotel. This is the town where Ben Affleck never got out of. And the extended director's cut. Only true The Town fans would know that.
Let's go, we're in the safe zone.
Well, Josh went to Primark and he got himself a Negan jacket. Okay, we are at the Samuel Adams Brewery. It is in a location that I was not expecting, but it looks great and we're about to drink mad alcohol.
Yay!
Coco no longer. I'm currently winning. I was losing, but now I'm winning. That's right, Tina. The power of the alcohol has helped me. Here it is for Josh has this nice Polaroid coming out.
Bacon, featured on Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives.
Courtney Kim, oh shit.
Yeah, yeah. Oh my god.
Okay, all right. So we're leaving.
It is 8:13 p.m. Negative 50 degrees right now.
Hypothermia is now
We're about to
setting
get some
in.
burgers.
We've already lost 3 fingers, but it's okay because at least we're here together.
It's actually the car that they use in the town.
So right now, people, we are in the town that Ben Affleck lived in. In the town. Drank a lot of alcohol at Sam Adams Brewery. And now we're going to eat a burger at Boston Burger Company.
I can't wait for these burgers. It's about negative 55 degrees right now.
I like this area. Books and music. Looks pretty hip. Looks pretty bohemian. I need a piss. Ooh, the bohemian. All right, we are back in the hotel room. We ordered burgers from Boston Burger. Delicious, and we get to just drink in comfort of the hotel.
It's in here.
Whoa, everything's
I'm so excited.
This is fine.
Oh my
Boston
god.
2019 or 2008. Oh wait, cut.
I know.
I knew the theatrics had to be on the side. There's no way they could have put that all in one. What's it called? The fireball. Oh, yeah, look at this burger. Apparently this is a one burger of a lifetime. Wow, that's a crazy burger, Tina. We're gonna go to sleep and we'll see you guys in the morning.
It's gonna be 60 degrees below tomorrow in Boston.